Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM, not custom robot ROM for Redmi 5 Rosie. As you can see, this is by Xiaomi.eu 12.0.1 version. As you can see, this is the stable version. Let's check the specification. Android version 10. You will get Android version 10 in this ROM. Android Q. As you can see, this is the stable version and Xiaomi.eu. So today we will review this ROM and we will also check the gaming performance, Call of Duty performance, how much is this ROM for gaming or not. So without wasting our time, let's get started and qual that content is installed in this ROM. So first I will tell you about the Bluetooth audio devices, hotspot, everything is working perfectly, and here is the status bar. As you can see, QS panels, as you can see, here is the each and every tiles are working perfectly fine. There is no problem, and Geo Wi-Fi, hotspot, HD, Volt, everything is working perfectly fine. Bluetooth I have already tested, so don't worry. You can easily connect, share Bluetooth hotspot also, so don't worry. And let's check the lock screen. First let's check the change logs of this ROM. What are the changes? As you can see, here are some of the changes of this ROM. Change logs, I will give you the link in the description. As you can see, port base use stable on light. As you can see, this is the ported ROM. Add some files in, as you can add Xiaomi parts is also added in this ROM. Double tap to wake, double tap to sleep is also working perfectly, and improve smoothness is improved in this ROM. Almost I have tested this ROM, so the performance of this ROM is overall good. There is no problem. As you can see, reading mode work, region work. As you can see, update region, you can update the region also, so don't worry. Update security patch May, and safety net, we will also check the safety net, so don't worry. And if you talk about the bugs, here are the bugs of this ROM, and there is the bug in the face unlock and CTS false. As you can see, CTS is not passed in this ROM. We will talk about that, so don't worry. Basically a file is given by the developer, we will check it out, so don't worry. And race to wake is also working, double tap to wake is also working, tap fingerprint sensor to wake is working. Clock screen format, you can change the format also, it works perfectly fine without any problem. And let's check whether the face unlock is working or not. As given by the developer that it is not working. Let me check. Add face data, but fingerprint is working perfectly fine, and we will check the speed of the fingerprint also. So as you can see, there is a bug in the face unlock is not working. As you can see, could not add face data. Let's check the speed of the fingerprint. Tap open. As you can see, speed of the fingerprint is just amazing, lightning fast speed. So according to the performance of the fingerprint performance is great in this ROM. So let's check the display. Light mode, dark mode is working. Schedule dark mode, you can schedule it according to your use. And reading mode, let's check whether the reading mode is working or not. First let's check the color scheme is working, but it is a little light. Let me check the color temperature is also working, it is working perfectly fine, there is no problem. And reading mode, let's check the reading mode whether it works or not. As you can see, reading mode is also working perfectly fine without any problem. So basically you can check all the features according to your use. All full screen gesture is also working, mirror buttons is also available. And if you want to switch your control center, you can easily switch without any problem. So basically let's check the battery performance. We will also check the, I have already played the Call of Duty in this ROM. Let me show you the full battery usage stats. As you can see, 0.0 hours 58 minutes I have used this ROM. As you can see, battery performance is good in this ROM. 81% drop. Or let me check the Call of Duty, 41% used. 1 hour 21 minutes I have used the Call of Duty. So battery performance is good, so don't worry, you will not get any problem while using this ROM for daily usage also. According to the MIUI ROMs, it is okay, so don't worry. And if I talk about the Call of Duty performance, is good in this ROM, but not better. If you play 10 versus 10, your phone will lag. When more and more enemies are nearby, your phone will lag. Safety net, basically I have told you about that the safety net is not passed, CTS profile is not passed. Developer has given a file, we will also check that, so don't worry. As you can see, device is failed. Let's check the Play Store whether it is certified or not. Let's go to the setting. As you can see, device is not certified, so basically Play Store is not certified in this ROM, and CTS is not passed. Everything is passed, and security. These are the few applications installed in this ROM. So let's check the screen recorder whether it is working or not. So as you can see, screen recorder is not working. As you can see, screen recorder is not working, and another bug is of the screen recorder, that the screen recorder is not working. So here is the file safety net fix.new. As you can see, here is the logo. This is the logo of MIUI 12.0.1 Xiaomi.eu. So now let's check the gaming performance of this ROM. Call of Duty performance. As you can see, let's check how much lag is there. As you can see, it is now working perfectly fine. Let's check when the enemy is nearby. मार दिया से. Oh shit, I'm dead. Let's check again. मारेगा मेरे को. So as you can see, there is no lag right now. It is working perfectly fine. Oh, there is no enemy. Why I am shooting? So as you can see, there is no lag right now. It is working perfectly fine without any problem. As you can see, in MI ROM also, Call of Duty is working perfectly fine. Only in the starting you will feel the lag when you open the game for the first time. Else after that, when the enemies are nearby, maybe more than 5 enemies, your device will lag, the game will lag when there are more than 5 enemies in a group. Right now there is no lag. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine. As you can see, working perfectly fine without any problem. So you can use this ROM for gaming also. Whether I recommend you to use other ROMs for better performance. If you like the MIUI 12, you can try this ROM. But I have played the game in this ROM, but there is no lag. I can easily play the games without any problem. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.